Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So let's open up BONK once again and let's talk about the details of it. And here you are, okay? Here you are. Pretty much an amazing job done by BONK, and I am sure that from this point onwards we have our answers. So all you did, again, as I told you in yesterday's video, you went up, you make a flag, you went up again, you made another flag, you moved up, you made another flag, and you've broken above that flag. So what I want to say is, according to the rules of a pennant, okay, so this, let's actually write in a bull pennant, and let's do an educational conversation today. So it's a very simple move to the upside, and then a consolidation that creates that little bit of a triangle, and the breakout happens, and then you continue even higher. This is what you really have: a move to the upside, that triangle being made right there, and you're looking for another push for BONK to the upside. So what I want to say is, if that is it, if this is exactly where you're breaking from, let's actually draw the lines right there. Then you're looking for a technical target basically from there to there, and you are on a technical journey up to 22,000, and God, oh God, this is going to be nearly 54% farther pumped to the upside. So anyone who's in this trade, who's trying to enjoy it pretty much. Now yesterday there was a little bit of a fake out. So you went up, came down, went up, came down, broke down, had a fake out, went for the retest, and then boom, that's pretty much what you have done right there for BONK. Now there's one more place for probably a little bit of an entry, which is up here. So if you do end up breaking above 14,000, where you're struggling to break above, which is 14,700, this actually not 14,000 but 147,000. So if you break above here and you go for the retest, that would be amazing. Let's see how the volume is. And you can see, yeah, the volume is decent. There's nothing wrong with the volume. You'd really have good chances of actually pushing up to 22,000. And let's make one thing very clear: if you do come down to 91,785 in the future, then say goodbye to the bull pennant, because this really destroys the pennant itself and destroys the journey to go to the upside. But I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty normal. It's actually good, man. really good. And let me see if I can try to get an entry in here for BONK probably. And if I do try to take an entry right now, that's gonna be 16% risk, which I don't want to take. Now let's say there are two things that may happen. You see, this is a resistance right now, and you do have another resistance right over here, right? So you may want to be careful on this one. Now if you do end up coming down and take this stop loss once again, just touch this trend line and come down to 12,600, this may be another good entry point, and then finally start to push to the upside. Or another thing is, if you break above this resistance, go to 16,000, come to 140,000 again, that's also going to be another good point. And that's it for this BONK update. And these videos are not financial advice at all, okay? This is just for the traders who know how to trade and they're looking for a better TA, and just to bring them into a better road right there. I'm just trying to bring you to the road so that you can your journey can actually be a little bit more smooth with these videos. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.